Well, hey, I'm back for another video. This one's a little different. It's something I learned or thought about last night, and let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so have you ever had a shoestring or a rope fray, sort of like, the end of it like this? Well, what I discovered, I thought about last night, was because my shoestrings broke, and I needed to find a way to fix them. It's probably not going to work for everyone. Let's see if I can find the right size here. But what I found out was, all right, sometimes you got to put a little bit of glue on here so that it will go through the, okay, that's going to be too small. All right, let's go with another one here. This one might be just the right size. I doubt it. All right, let's go for a different, smaller size. Okay, so we're going to go with this one right here. So you can, cut that off if you want to and restart, but I like to experiment and see what I can get to work. So you're going to have to probably spin it on to get it through. Okay, I got that on there. What I want to do is make sure that they're all going that way. So bring this up to here, just like that. Oops, forgot my lighter. All right, so you have that like that, then you just heat it up. And so your fray, it's even better if you use heat shrink that's got glue on the inside. That way it won't accidentally slide back off. But that's what I came up with last night. I was like, that's pretty cool. Let me try and get this part. All right, it won't go any smaller. But if I had a piece of the right size heat shrink, I would show you how well it works on this. But if you look down here at my shoes, I don't know if this thing will go down low enough. See, that's what I did to my shoes right there, because the outer sheath, there we go. The outer sheath broke, and I had to cut the ends off in order to get it back in. And then I thought about, hey, how can I fix that right there? And what I'll do sometimes, if the fray is thick and won't stay to the point, of staying nice and round, what I'll do is I'll put goop glue on it, like on this part right here, and it will hold it together enough to where I can slide heat shrink through there. But I came up with that idea last night, just trying to figure out how to, replace things. And this would probably even work on metal cables, small metal cables. But I just thought it was interesting, and I thought I would share it with you. Anyhow, heat shrink and rope and maybe even cable to fix frays on there, so you don't have to cut the rope off or destroy the rope. Yeah, I think it would work. Anyhow, have a good day, and thanks for watching.